Hi. If you're watching this video, it is because you may need some help learning how to use Zoom to connect with others in your church. I'm going to walk you through a few basic steps to start using Zoom on your computer, tablet, or smartphone so that you can participate in group meetings even if you can't be there in person. Okay, let's get started. Zoom is a popular video conferencing software that lets groups of people have virtual meetings. You may have used Skype or FaceTime to have a video call with someone before. Zoom is very similar. However, it is a little easier to use for groups of people. You can use Zoom on your laptop computer, smartphone, or tablet. Choose whatever device you are most comfortable using. The first thing we need to do is install Zoom. I'll start by showing you how to do this on my Apple iPhone, but this is a very similar process on an iPad or an Android device. First, go to the App Store on your phone and touch the search icon and type in Zoom. The app you are looking for is called Zoom Cloud Meetings. Let's go ahead and install that. You may be asked to enter your Apple ID password here. If you're using an Android smartphone or tablet, you will download the Zoom app from Google Play. That's Google's version of the App Store. You'll simply search for Zoom and install the Zoom Cloud Meetings app. To install Zoom on your computer, open your web browser such as Safari, Explorer, or Google Chrome and type in zoom.us/download into the bar at the top. Launch the file you have downloaded and follow the prompts on screen to install Zoom. When you open Zoom, you will see the option to join a meeting, sign up for your own Zoom account, or sign in if you already have a Zoom account. If you want to host your own meetings and invite others to join, then you'll need to create your own free account. However, if you simply want to be able to join meetings that you've been invited to, you won't need to. When someone invites you to a Zoom meeting, you will often receive an email or text message with a link that looks like this. So here's a link that was emailed to me. I'm simply going to click on that link and Zoom will automatically open on my phone and take me to that meeting. Clicking a link on your computer or tablet will also automatically open Zoom. Okay, it looks like I'm early to this meeting, so I just need to wait for the meeting host to join. There we go. Okay, I'm now in the meeting. So my phone is asking me if I want to use audio. I do, so I'm just going to click that. Okay, there's the host. And he just turned off his video. This is why I see this little thumbnail image in his place where the video would be. I'll click on Start Video to turn my video on. There we go. Okay, great. Now we both have our video on so we can see each other. Okay, now we need to talk about some important tips when using Zoom. It is important when meeting as a group to use the mute button to turn your microphone off if you're not speaking. With lots of people on a video call, the sound can sometimes become challenging if everyone has their microphone on at the same time. If you're using Zoom all by yourself, use headphones if possible. This will improve the sound quality for everyone. If you're using Zoom with several people in the room with you, then go ahead and use the speaker on your device so that you can all hear. But be sure to have someone mute and unmute your microphone as you go. Okay, that's it. If you have any more questions about how to use Zoom, start by asking someone in your group to help you. You probably have an experienced Zoom user right in your group. You can also go to the Zoom support page if you want more detailed support. The easiest way to find that is to simply Google search Zoom Getting Started. All right, I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you and will help you stay connected with others in your church.